Terra team seems to have been hit by a streak of bad luck. Take a look at this, guys. Terra team confirms Luna airdrop did not distribute it properly, promises a solution. Hello boys and girls, and welcome to Crypto Prodigy YouTube channel, the place where we tell you everything you want to know and everything you need to know regarding your favorite cryptocurrency. In this video, we are gonna be talking about none other than Terra Luna. And of course, I will be providing you with a price prediction on Luna, so if you want to find out where is this little green dot going to go in the future, make sure to stay with us till the end of this video, because first of all guys, I would not want you to miss out on some of the really interesting and exciting news that we have prepared for you. Now, before we go over the news, let me first share a couple of price details regarding Luna right now. If we take a look at the price at this point, we can see that the current value is $8.80, and that's actually a rise in the amount of 45.58%. As you can see it over here, and compared to yesterday, it's definitely a rise. And take a look at the trading volume. It's up by almost 300%, 296.14% to be exact. So what's really going on and why is this happening? Stay tuned to find out. I promise you I will provide you with the answer to this. But where is this price going in the future? If that's what you want to find out as well, all you would need to do is watch this video till the end. So first of all, let's take a look at the news that I shown you at the beginning of this video. Take a look at this tweet from the official Terra's Twitter account, guys. We are aware that some have received less Luna from the airdrop than expected and are actively working on a solution. More information will be provided when we have gathered all of the data, so stay tuned. And what has happened, guys? The Terra team did notice that the distribution is not doing fine, and that some people are definitely receiving less of tokens in the airdrop. Terra team is now finding a solution for not properly distributing Luna airdrop. It seems that Terra Luna isn't out of the mud yet. Apparently, the launch of Terra 2.0 and the planned Luna airdrop to affect holders didn't work as expected. A lot of users are now complaining that they did not get their fair share of the airdrop, as you can see in these tweets, guys. Now, it's worth noting that after the collapse of Luna price and the depegging of USD from USD, the Terra blockchain has halted the exchange's suspended USD and Luna transaction. This meant that the panic holders couldn't withdraw their stash even as the price crashed further. These losses were to be recovered through the Luna airdrop when Terra 2.0 went live. In a recent tweet, Terra said that the team is aware of the airdrop problem and promised to find a solution soon. How this will happen, it's still subject to the speculation. However, the Terra community will still expect Duke One and his team to come up with a plan to save the situation. Now guys, what's going on? Another problematic situation happening with Luna. I hope that the holders do not lose their faith in the Luna, because 2.0 seems to be working good. But why is the price rising at this point? We can see a trading volume growing. We can see a price of $8.74, and yesterday it was actually under $6. So take a look at this news. Luna 2.0 jumped 75% in 22 hours ahead of Binance listing. After a rocky start, the new Luna token is up 40% on May 30th. It hit $30 before crashing to a low of $3.5 on its first day of trading. And now the token is making another run ahead of its Binance listing on May 31st. Let me remind you guys, Binance did announce a listing of Luna 2.0 on May 31st and an airdrop. It's against company policy for Binance to release information on listing ahead of schedule. However, given the sensitive and timely nature of the launch of Luna 2.0, it has distributed a timeline detailing exactly when will the listing go live. And it's supposed to go live today at 6 a.m. UTC. The announcement was made on May 28, but it seems excitement for the Binance listing has the Terra community ready to buy. And that's exactly what we are seeing over here, guys. The trading volume is growing, the value of the price is growing, and that's all happening ahead of Binance listing. But what will happen to a price of Luna 2.0 after the airdrop and the listing is done? Now, there are a lot of speculations about this, guys. Some of the analytics are expecting for the holders to sell their tokens as soon as they receive the airdrop in order to take out some of the fundings that they have invested in the previous Luna. And of course, it may happen that the people didn't lose their faith and they continue holding the tokens once they receive them in the airdrop. What we are seeing right now is a rise in the price at $8.74. So is Luna a good investment right now? Let me tell you right away, folks. First of all, I'm not a financial advisor, so if you are willing to invest in any kind of cryptocurrency, you should do your own research on this. However, what I'm sure of is that Luna at this point is definitely a good investment for a short term, because we will definitely see this price growing even more than right now. You can see it over here reaching $12 value, so this spike will happen again. I'm sure of that. But for a long term, I'm guessing we will have to wait and see the further development in the team and on the market as well. Right now, Luna does look like a good short-term investment, and if you buy it now, in the next 24 to 48 hours, you will definitely be in the money. If you like this video, leave me a comment, and thank you for viewing.